नमस्कार 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 मारा छु सारनी नवरे मुबारक नवरे मुबारक पाँच नमत वरिये कोशर कैलेंडर हिसाब अंग्रेज कैलेंडर हिसाब छु आज 6/4/2019 नवरे मुबारक छु नवरे मुबारक छु नवरे मुबारक नवरे नवरे मुबारक नवरे मुबारक नवरे मुबारक नवरे मुबारक sir. So, ladies and gentlemen, today is a very big day, very important day. One more life, one more day, one more year, and it is the Happy New Year of Kashmiri Pandits. 5095th year to be precise, as per the Kashmiri kosher almanac calendar nature pattern going on for the last 5094 years till yesterday, uninterrupted, unstopped. That as per the Georgian English calendar, it is 6th for April 2019 today, and as per the Kashmiri Pandits calendar, it is the 5095th year. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the platter, this is the thal that had been yesterday kept, and all the items that are there it is here written, Navre Mubarak, Navre Posht. That is exactly how we say Kashmiri Pandits. We say that now no very near no fruits, lasciv, naviv, te faliv. That is the blessing that elders give to Kashmiri Pandits. So these are around 13 items in this particular thal, in this particular platter. Everything stands for something very important and has a very deep significance about it. There is rice, uncooked rice, ladies and gentlemen. There is curd, and then there is, of course, bread. Bread is there. There is cooked rice. There are walnuts, ladies and gentlemen. There is an ink pot. Now ink pot people are not using, so that ink pot is not there, so it has become now the obsolete. So we are having a pen, ladies and gentlemen. You just see the pen is also there. The coin means that you need to keep the money is, ladies and gentlemen, that there is $200. Then there is the nature patar is very important. The almanac of the yearly almanac, do and do nots. Every important day is mentioned in this nature patar. It's very important, ladies and gentlemen. And then the flowers are very important. And this deity goddess, oh Mata Sharika ki jai ho Mata Sharika ki jai Bhagwan ki jai. So the deity also has to be there, ladies and gentlemen. This is very important. And then, of course, ladies and gentlemen, the mirror is very important. It has also to be kept there, ladies and gentlemen. This is the mirror. Jai ho. So ladies and gentlemen, and of course the salt is also very important. So in end, there are around 13 items. As I told you, it has to be kept in this platter, and in the morning, one day before, in the evening, and when you just wake up in the morning, the first thing that you need to say, the head of the lady in the house, will just show you this platter. First of all, this platter only, it has to be, you need to see, the first thing that you need to see in the morning, you see this particular thal, so that to have the happiness of the whole year, and you start with the new year with after seeing this particular Thal. And of course, ladies and gentlemen, as you know, that everybody wants happiness in life. You know this these times in WhatsApp also you do give new things, new good mornings. You know, something very interesting, some very beautiful pictures in the morning, so that your you know our day is filled with happiness, and we are on the top spirits. And ladies and gentlemen, sometime as I know that my during my this old times means that during my early times I used to know in the morning see my hand. I used to see my hand and then do something like this. Let me just repeat. So hand, I used to see my hand in the morning and then do like this and like this. This was exactly what I was doing to just in the beginning. So you need to see in the morning something very nice to have a good feeling. And of course, if there's nothing, just see the hand. See the hand in the morning. And that is exactly what we are doing on the new year. We are starting our day with this Thal Barun. And let me just show you the almanac. You know, first of all, Jai Jai Ho Jai Bajrang ki Jai. Jai Bajrang ki Jai. So what I was trying to tell you, ladies and gentlemen, this is the Kashmiri, you know, April 2019, and then of course this is Saptarashi 5095th year, Vikrami 2076th year. This is kosher calendar, you know, of course you kosher calendar 2019-20. And this is a symbol of Kashmir, the shikara in the Dal Lake. And of course, you know, just see that this almanac now today, yesterday was Thal Barun, it was 5th of April 2019, and today it is 6th of April 2019, and it is Navreh. First Navratra, it's Ogdo, then you are having on 7th is Doyam, then it is Trayam, Zangtrai, then it is Zoram on 9th, then it is Pansam on 10th of April 2019, and then on 11th of April 2019, ladies and gentlemen, you are having the She, and then Satam on 12th, and 13th it is Durga Ashtami. And that is exactly Ram Navami, the biggest festival, religious festival of Kashmiri Pandits, when Lord Ram was born. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you.